Hey, I'm glad you're here, and I don't want to waste any of your time. So, if you give me just 3 minutes, I'll explain exactly how our program works, how to get approved for the credit you need, timeline, all of that, and then you can decide on your own if we're the right fit for you and how you want to move forward. So, what do? We help clients transform bad credit to get approved for the credit they need. Last year alone, we helped our clients secure millions of dollars in approved credit cards and hundreds of mortgage approvals. And you can see the reviews and case studies down below, and I will tell you exactly how we do it. First, let's be honest about why you're here. You're here because the credit you have right now is not good enough to get approved for what you want. Now, you might have negative items on your credit report that you want disputed, but we both know that the only reason to improve your credit is to get approved for something in the future. And I don't mean a handful of little $300 credit cards or secured loans. I'm talking about real credit. Now, let's talk about disputing because everyone thinks that disputing negative accounts is the key to improving your credit. So I know this is going to sound a bit like a hot take, but approvals come from credit strength, not from deleting collection accounts. And here's the question you should ask yourself. Is there anything in the world that you know of that gets stronger just by taking something away from it? Now, to be fair, disputing and deleting some negative accounts can help your credit look less bad, which is like going from an F to a D minus. But D minus credit isn't going to get you approved, just like D minus students don't get scholarships. But stick with me, and I'll tell you exactly how to get the approvals that you want. When you apply for anything, the bank looks at your full credit profile to make sure you meet the minimum requirements that tell the bank you can be trusted. But they aren't making decisions based on accounts that you deleted because they can't see those. Removing negative accounts can help your negative items fit into the acceptable range, but it won't suddenly make the bank trust you if you aren't checking all the other boxes they want to see. So, if you go with one of those companies that only disputes negative items, I can already tell you your future. Your credit might look a little better if you squint at it, but you'll still be in a category where your negative items are acceptable, but overall your credit is missing the strength to get approved for the credit that you want. So here's my next question for you. Is it really credit repair if it doesn't repair your approval odds? Now, the situation I just described is exactly the problem we solved. We built a system based on how credit approvals actually work, and we use it with every one of our clients so that you don't waste your time and money just to still end up still getting denied for credit. Our program works in two phases. The first phase is going to be our prep phase, where we're basically prepping your credit report for the approvals that you want. And this is where we go through and we strengthen up all the credit you currently have, and this also includes the dispute process. Our team handles advanced dispute strategies to challenge the negative accounts and remove everything that can legally be deleted from your credit report. But let me add an important note here. Our dispute team is very good, but disputes aren't like waving a magic wand. And no dispute program can remove every negative account, but it doesn't matter because you can still get approved without deleting everything if you know what lenders actually care about. And that's why the second phase of our program is so important. Phase two is what we call our credit approval engineering. And this is where we begin intentionally building your credit profile and helping you add the correct lines of credit around any negative items that didn't get deleted. And this is all based on real lender approval requirements. Over the years, we've mapped out a complete list of what banks and lenders require for approvals across credit cards, personal loans, mortgages, auto loans, and business funding. And this is like having your best friend working at the bank telling you all the right moves to make. So instead of leaving you to guess what to do next, we give you specific step-by-step instructions on exactly what to do to build a bulletproof credit profile. We know all the boxes your credit report has to check for approval, so we can tell you exactly what to apply for and what to avoid until your credit becomes as strong as you need it to be. We know which lenders approve at different credit tiers. We know what will and won't disqualify someone. We know how credit limits are increased, and we know how internal banking relationships work. And we know how to structure a credit profile so that it becomes stronger and more attractive to lenders over time. So you go from tier one starter cards to the credit you actually want. Now, I do want to set a realistic expectation. Most clients are with us for about 12 months, not because we slow the process down. If it could be done any faster, we would do it faster. But building strong functional credit simply takes time. The dispute process alone can take several months, and adding the right accounts with the correct timing is critical if you want to continue getting approvals. So I tell every new client the same thing. If you can't realistically commit to about a year rebuilding your credit properly, then not only should you not sign up with us, but you probably should just save your money and not sign up with anybody. It's like playing poker. If you know your hand can't win, fold. Now, if everything I've explained makes perfect sense to you, here's what you can do. Below the video, you're going to see a button where you can find out if we're the right fit for you. If you still have questions, we'd love to go over your situation with you, and there'll be an option to get on a call with us. But if you already know that we're the right fit, you can skip the wait and enroll in the program directly, and we'll still have a call with you once we finish your enrollment setup. Now, I do want to be clear about one thing. We are not the right fit for everyone. If you're looking for someone to magically remove everything from your credit report in the next 60 days, that simply doesn't exist. And if your financial situation is extremely tight right now, no judgment. But it might be better for you to stabilize things before starting a program like this because life just happens. But if you're serious about transforming your credit the right way, if you want to stop getting denied, if you want to start getting approved for the credit you actually need, then use the button below and my team and I will get you taken care of. And hopefully we'll be working with you very soon. Take care.